AgMag Dairy. The next time you drink a glass of milk or eat cheese or yogurt, think about the journey that dairy product has taken. How did it get from the cow to you? Here's the ag cycle: production at the farm, planting, growing, harvesting, processing, testing, changing to useful forms, packaging, distribution, trucking, shipping, selling, so that's the freight portion of it, by truck or train usually, and consumption. You eat it or you use it. Incredible dairy facts. The word bank is at the top. Diet pounds, trackers, fingerprint, hutches, birth, and female. Those are your options. So I'll read these to you and you can fill in the blank as you go. Only blank dairy cows produce milk. The males are called bulls. 2. A cow produces milk after she has given blank to a calf. She can have her first calf when she's about 2 years old. 3. Milk is measured in blank, and the average U.S. cow produces about 70 pounds, 128 cups or 8 gallons of milk each day. 4. Holsteins are one breed of dairy cattle. A Holstein's cow's spots are like a blank. No two cows have exactly the same pattern of spots. 5. Some cows wear activity blanks to record how much they eat, sleep, and milk. This is crazy to me. 6. Newborn calves usually live in blank that keep them healthy by providing warm, dry bedding, protection from the weather, and fresh air. 7. Dairy cows eat a blank called a total mixed ration. This includes hay and grains, plus vitamins and minerals, so cows have all the nutrients to produce wholesome milk. Page 2. Dairy production, a 4-part stomach. Cows are ruminants, which means they're one of the animals with a 4-part stomach. That's why they can digest coarse feeds like hay that other animals and people can't eat. It's also why they swallow their food quickly without chewing it well. The food goes into the first and second stomachs, the rumen and reticulum. When the cow has eaten her fill, she belches up a small amount of food called a cud to chew again. After chewing her cud thoroughly, she swallows it and it goes into the third stomach, the omasum. From there it goes to the fourth stomach, the abomasum, the true stomach, where digestion actually occurs. So go ahead and trace through the parts of her stomach. Natural recyclers. Cows eat about 90 pounds of food and drink at least 50 gallons of water each day. A cow's diet can include grass, hay, and grains such as corn. Cows also may consume distillers' grains from ethanol production, citrus pulp from making orange juice, canola seed after the oil has been pressed out of them, and cottonseed after the cotton fibers have been removed. These products, which were once thrown away, are actually good for cows. Cows can unlock the energy and nutrients in these products that would otherwise go to waste. That's one reason why cows are often referred to as the original recycler in agriculture. North Dakota's dairy cows. There are, so there are counties listed off to the left side. Okay, Morton, Emmons, McHenry, Foster, Stutzman, Logan, Stark, McIntosh, Nelson, and Ransom County. McHenry County is not the same county that the town McHenry is found in. Okay, so just be really careful on that location. Moo math. Even cows need a break. A cow can produce milk for about 305 of the 365 days in a year. That means they get 60 days off. If she produces 144 cups of milk per day, how many cups does she produce in 305 days? How many gallons can that cow produce in a day? So for number 2, the fact you will need to know is that there are 16 cups in each gallon. Okay. Number 3, before milking machines were invented in 1894, a farmer could milk 6 cows per hour by hand. How long would the milking take if the farmer had 15 cows? Today, farmers can milk a cow in about 5 minutes with a milking machine. If a farmer has 6 milking machines going at once, how many cows can be milked in 1 hour? 5. There are about 9 million milk cows in the U.S. today, and about 90% of them are of the black and white Holstein breed. How many U.S. cows are Holsteins? Okay, so think about 90% of 9 million. You may have to double check to look up what the keyword of means. Dairy processing. At the processing plant, milk samples are tested in a lab to ensure that only the purest milk is used. The milk is homogenized to break the butterfat particles into thin, uniform globules. If milk wasn't homogenized, the cream would rise to the top, so you would have to shake or stir the milk before serving. Milk is then pasteurized. Do you remember Louis Pasteur from the 5th grade science lesson? That means it's heated to 161 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to kill bacteria, then rapidly cooled to prolong shelf life, meaning how long it can, stay on the shelf in the fridge before it goes sour. Milk packaged for drinking has vitamin D and vitamin A added, and some has flavor added to make delicious chocolate milk. Packaging machines fill and seal the cartons or jugs. Almost half the milk produced in the U.S. is made into more than 300 types of cheese. List the different kinds of cheese you know. So I'm hoping you guys can think of at least 3 there. List other dairy products you're familiar with, and if you hang in there, you will find some of those answers throughout the Ag Mag too. How much milk does it take?